If you want to install a VPN app on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra, you just have to go to the Play Store. Over here at the bottom, we're gonna use the search button and then the search field here at the top. We can type VPN and just search for example VPN apps. You should be able to find lots of them. So give it a try and pick just any of them that you want to try. Of course, if you know exactly which one you want to try out, you can just search for it specifically. And in my case, I'm gonna use this one in this video. So I'm gonna install this one. I'm gonna show you how to set it up, which is really straightforward. But if you don't like this app, or if you want to try another one, of course, like I said, feel free to do so. We're gonna open it. We can continue as guest in this specific example, so we don't have to create an account or anything like that. Of course, you might see a premium offer or something, but in this case, we can use the VPN app for free. So we're gonna tap on a not now over here at the bottom of the screen. And then you should be able to connect to a network in here, or to a server actually. And that is pretty much it, and that's all you have to do in order to start using the VPN. Of course, there are some additional settings that you can go through if you want to, but of course, the features, all the available features depend on the app itself. Leave a like and subscribe.